How to get chest keys Clash Royale. Chest keys help you instantly unlock chests without waiting. Here's how you can get them in Clash Royale. Open your Clash Royale application. You can earn chest keys from special events, challenges and tournaments. Clash Royale occasionally offers chest keys as reward in global tournament and seasonal challenges. Limited time events. Watch for special in-game events where chest keys may be available. If you purchase Royal Pass, chest keys are sometimes included as a tier reward. Check each season Royal Pass reward to see if chest keys are available. Occasionally, the shop may offer chest keys in special bundles. Keep an eye on limited time details that may include them. Some clan wars rewards or quests in previous season have included chest keys. Always check for new features or mission that may reward you with chest key. And that's it. Now you know how to get chest keys in Clash Royale.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.